Okay, good day to all science students. In this video lesson, we are going to discuss now the day 4, connecting word, skeleton, and balance chemical equation under Science 10, Term 1, Week 2, writing a chemical equation. Objectives: analyze how a chemical reaction may be represented through a word equation, skeleton equation, and balance chemical equation. Construct and present complete representations of common chemical reactions using appropriate formulas, state, symbols, and coefficients, and value collaboration and scientific accuracy in communicating real-life chemical reactions. Okay, for motivational activities, 3 phases of a reaction, equation match-up challenge. Okay, to reinforce the connection among word equation, skeleton equations, and balance equations. Okay, materials, prepare 3 sets of cards. Green cards, everyday reaction description. Blue cards, word equation. Yellow cards, skeleton or balance. Okay, mechanics learners are placed in small groups. Each group receives mixed cards, yung tatlo. Group arrange cards into matching sets of 3. Reaction description, word equation, and correct formula equation. Each match set must be briefly explained by the group. A bonus point is awarded when the group correctly identifies whether the formula equation is skeletal or balance. Okay, sample card sets. Ito, yung reaction description, gas stove fuel burns completely. Word equation, methane plus oxygen resulting to carbon dioxide and water. Okay, the formula equation, ito, yung nagre-represent dun sa methane. And molecule of oxygen, 2 molecules of oxygen gas, resulting to 1 molecule of carbon dioxide gas, and 2 molecules of water. Okay, ang classification is balance. So next, a white solid forms when sodium and chlorine combine. Okay, that is sodium plus chlorine or sodium combined with chlorine resulting sa sodium chloride. Kung sa formula equation, sodium that is solid combined with chloride which is gas resulting to sodium chloride which is solid. That is skeleton. Bakit siya skeleton? Hindi pa siya balance. Reaction description, baking soda reacts with acid and produces bubbles. Word equation, sodium hydrogen carbonate combines with hydrochloric acid resulting to sodium chloride and water and carbon dioxide. So ito yung formula niya. So balance na siya. Yun yung sample. Okay, the blue flame in the school canteen. The school canteen uses a gas tube to cook meals. One morning, learners observed a steady blue flame beneath a cooking pot. The teacher explains that methane, a fuel gas, burns in oxygen and produces carbon dioxide and water vapor while releasing heat. Guide question, what common school situation is described in the scenario? Okay, the burning of fuel in the school canteen gas stove is described. What are the reactants involved in the methane burning? Okay, the reactants are methane and oxygen. What are the products of the reaction? The products are carbon dioxide and water vapor. Write the word equation for the reaction. Okay, methane plus oxygen or reacts with oxygen resulting to carbon dioxide or produce carbon dioxide and water. Okay, write the skeleton equation. Okay, mula dito sa word equation na to, gagawan nyo ng write ng skeleton equation. Okay, methane, ito yung chemical formula ng methane, reacts with oxygen gas resulting to carbon dioxide gas and water vapor. Kaya siya gas. Why is the skeleton equation incomplete as a final scientific Why is the skeleton equation incomplete as a final scientific representation? The skeleton equation is incomplete because the numbers of hydrogen and oxygen atoms are not equal or both sides. So, unbalanced. So, hindi pa siya final. So, you need to balance. Yung skeleton, you need to balance. Right? The balance chemical equation. O, ito na. Kung bibilangin natin, yung methane dito, o yung C, isa. Sa kabila, isa na rin. Ang H, ang hydrogen 4. Dito sa kanan, magiging siyang 4 kasi 2 times 2. Yung molecule, ginawang 2 molecules of water vapor. And then sa kabila naman, sa reactants, yung oxygen gas, ginawang 2 molecules. So 2 times 2, 4. Kung ipa-plus natin dito yung oxygen dito, dalawa dito sa carbon dioxide, plus yung oxygen dito sa water. So mayroon na siyang coefficient na 2, 2 times 1, that is 2, 2. Ipa-plus natin yon yung oxygen dito sa right, mula dito sa carbon dioxide dito sa tubig, that is 4. So what evidence suggests that a chemical reaction is occurring? Okay, the production of heat and flame indicates that a chemical reaction is taking place. Okay, 3 forms of chemical equation. A chemical reaction may be expressed in 3 levels. Number 1, word equation. Number 2, balance equation, skeleton equation. And the last one, the balance chemical equation. Ano ba yung word equation? The names of the substance. For example, hydrogen, oxygen yung pinaka-word mismo. Hydrogen reacts with water, with oxygen resulting to water. Skeleton equation naman, ipinapakita na yung chemical formulas and physical states kung yan by gas, liquid, solid. Ang pinaka-final na representation of a chemical equation is the balanced chemical equation. This is the correct formulas, the final, the states and equal atoms on both sides. This form progressed from a simple verbal description to a complete scientific representation of the reaction. Common reaction example, formation of sodium chloride or yung asin. Ayan. Sodium plus chlorine resulting to sodium chloride. Skeleton niya, sodium is solid plus chloride, gas resulting to sodium chloride. So, hindi pa siya balance sa skeleton. Pag binalance na natin, yun, dadagdagan nyo or babaguhin ang coefficient. So, 2 sodium atoms react with 1 chlorine molecule to form 2 formula units of sodium chloride. So, ganun pala ito kahaba itong balance na ito. Titingnan natin kung isusulat mo ito sa word, napakahaba pala itong balance equation na to. Kasi tingnan nyo, ilang letters lang yan. Pero pag kinonvert mo sa balance na word equation, 2 sodium atoms reacts with 1 chlorine. 2 sodium atoms react with 1 chlorine molecule to form 2 formula units of sodium chloride. Is burning of methane. Ayan, word equation, methane plus oxygen resulting to carbon dioxide and water. So, skeleton equation, ayan, tandaan nyo na ito. Okay, methane reacts, ito yung pinaka-final. Pag binasa mo itong balance equation, ito na yung inward form niya. So, kumbaga, methane reacts with oxygen and releases energy when producing carbon dioxide and water vapor. Okay, baking soda. So, ganun din. Ang pinaka-interpretation na yan, itong nasa balance equation, kapag binasa mo siya, methane reacts with oxygen and releases energy while producing carbon dioxide and water vapor. Okay, sodium carbonate and hydrochloric acid. So, ganun din. Ayan. The equation requires coefficients because sodium and chlorine are unequal in the skeleton equation. Okay, important reminder. Reactants are written on the left side of the arrow. Yung lahat ng nasa left ang tawag doon reactants. Kung isa man yan, dalawa yan, or tatlo yan na reactants, lahat ng nasa left ng arrow ang tawag doon reactants or reactant kung isa lang. And then products are written on the right side of the arrow. Kung yan ay dalawa, tatlo, or isa, products yun, nasa right ng arrow. The plus sign separates two or more substances. So, yung plus sign na yun, pwede kong bagay parang reacts with or combined with. Okay, the arrow means yields or produces. Correct chemical formulas must be used before balancing begins. Okay, physical states provide additional information about the reaction. Kung ano ba yan, solid, liquid, or gas. Coefficients may be added or adjusted. Subscript must not be changed. Balance equations show equal numbers of atoms on both sides. Pag sinabing both sides, yung reactants, lahat ng nasa reactants. Kung may oxygen doon sa isang reactant, may oxygen sa pangalawang reactant, ipa-plus mo lahat yun. So, balance equations follow the law of conservation of mass. Chemistry newsroom report the reaction. Each group becomes a science news team assigned to explain an authentic chemical reaction observed in daily life, school, industry, or the environment. The group will create a short chemical reaction news report card and present it to the class. So, para kang magiging reporter. Magandang activity ito. Okay, group assignments. Okay, ang group 1, so yung i-assign niyang i-report niya is rust forming on a metal gate during the rainy season. Yun, parang gagawa niyo ng matinding balita. Yung pagkakaroon ng rust ng gate using a chemist style. O reporter ka pero parang yung knowledge mo is pang chemist. Group number 2, fuel burning in a gas tube during meal preparation. Group 3, an antacid tablet reacting with stomach acid. And group 4, hydrogen peroxide releasing oxygen during decomposition. Group 5, magnesium burning and producing white magnesium oxide. O, pwede rin palabunutan ito para hindi makapamili. Pero lahat naman kayang-kaya itong gawa ng news report. Okay, reaction information guide for each group. Ayan, word equation. Ito na, yung sa rust. May guide na dun sa group 1. Rust on a metal gate. Sa group 2, picturean nyo na to. Group 3. 4 and 4 and 5. Okay, instructions. Prepare the news report card using a sheet of Manila paper, bond paper, or digital slide. Prepare a reaction report containing the following. Yon, headline. So, kumbaga, so create a catchy but scientifically accurate title. Example, Rust Alert. Rainy days transform the school gate. Okay, number 2, real life situation. Describe whether the reaction may be observed in everyday life. Evidence of chemical reaction. Identify at least one observable sign that a chemical change occurs. Reactants in products. Clearly name the starting substances and substances form. 3 representations of the reactions, yung word equation, skeleton equation, balanced chemical equation. Ayan, atom verification table, confirm that the final equation is balanced. Important statement, write 1 to 2 sentences explaining why understanding the assigned reaction is useful in real life. Okay, part B, prepare the news presentation. Ito, pwede na ito kinaumagahan. Actual presentation na. Okay, each group present a 2-minute science news report. Group members may take the following roles. So, yun, news anchor, field reporter, chemistry analyst, o atom auditor. O pwede rin recorded na yung gawin niyo nito para ipi-play na lang, or actual pwede rin. So, groups with fewer members may combine roles. Okay, part C, presentation reminder. The report must be scientifically correct. O pag mali yung equation ninyo, hindi balanced, that is not scientifically correct. Easy for classmates to understand. O gumamit kayo ng mga madadali lang na English words. Ano? Baka yung magagaling sobrang tatalinong estudyante gumamit ng malalalim na words. Connected to real life experience, concise and organized, and respectful of each group member's contribution. Okay, ito yung rubric. Paano kayo mamarkahan dun sa news report card nyo yun. Ayan. Scientific accuracy. 3 chemical equation forms. Atom verification. Real life connection and creativity. Ayan, collaboration and presentation. Okay, exit ticket. Among the 3 forms of representing a reaction, which one provides the most complete scientific information? Bakit? Dun sa tatlo. Yung word equation, skeleton equation, or yung balanced chemical equation. What role does a word equation play before writing formulas? So, bakit mahalaga yung word equation bago nakukumpleto yung formulas? Why must a skeleton equation be checked before it is considered complete? How does a balanced chemical equation show the law of conservation of mass? Identify one chemical reaction discussed today that may be observed in daily life. Explain its importance.